Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. In this lesson, you'll learn conversational phrases to use when talking on the phone. After watching this video, you'll be able to ask for someone on the phone and to put someone on hold. And if you want to learn more vocabulary, phrases, and example sentences you can use in real-life situations, click the link in the description to download your Making a Phone Call PDF cheat sheet for free. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Alô, eu gostaria de falar com a pessoa encarregada.
Claro, só um minuto.
Once more with the English translation.
Alô, eu gostaria de falar com a pessoa encarregada.
Hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
Claro, só um minuto.
Okay, just a moment. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say hello on the phone. That's
Alô, alô.
Then you'll need to learn how to say, I'd like to speak with person. The pattern is
Eu gostaria de falar com.
person. For example, hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
Alô, eu gostaria de falar com a pessoa encarregada. Alô, eu gostaria de falar com a pessoa encarregada.
Now, how do you answer this question?
Claro, só um minuto.
Okay, just a moment. Listen to it again.
Claro, só um minuto. Claro, só um minuto.
Here are a few more phrases you can use with the same pattern to talk on the phone. The person in charge.
A pessoa encarregada. A pessoa encarregada.
A sales representative.
Representante de vendas. Representante de vendas.
The manager.
O gerente. O gerente.
Customer service.
O atendimento ao cliente. O atendimento ao cliente.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Eu gostaria de falar com representante de vendas.
Claro, só um minuto.
Eu gostaria de falar com o gerente.
Claro, só um minuto.
Eu gostaria de falar com o atendimento ao cliente.
Claro, só um minuto.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, I'd like to speak with person?
Eu gostaria de falar com.
Person. And how do you answer it?
Claro, só um minuto.
Imagine you want to talk to a sales representative. Do you remember how to say, a sales representative?
Representante de vendas. Representante de vendas.
Say, I'd like to speak with a sales representative.
Eu gostaria de falar com representante de vendas.
Now say you want to talk to a sales representative and answer it.
Eu gostaria de falar com um representante de vendas.
Claro, só um minuto.
Now, imagine you want to talk to the manager. Do you remember how to say, the manager?
O gerente. O gerente.
Say, I'd like to speak with the manager.
Eu gostaria de falar com o gerente.
Now say you want to talk to the manager and answer it.
Eu gostaria de falar com o gerente.
Claro, só um minuto.
Now imagine you want to talk to customer service. Do you remember how to say customer service?
O atendimento ao cliente. O atendimento ao cliente.
Say, I'd like to speak with customer service.
Eu gostaria de falar com o atendimento ao cliente.
Now say you want to talk to customer service and answer it.
Eu gostaria de falar com o atendimento ao cliente.
Claro, só um minuto.
In this lesson, you learned new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to talk on the phone. You're now able to answer the phone like a native speaker. Start by practicing in the comments below. Tell us and your fellow learners whom you'd like to call. Lastly, don't forget to click the link in the description and download your PDF cheat sheets. You'll get useful phrases you need for everyday life for free. See you in the next lesson. Bye!